today's video we will be making... What is this?
It's just gingerbread.
Okay, we're gonna make a gingerbread house for therapy. Sister therapy. Sissy therapy. So I hope you guys got a good view. We try to really be creative and put you guys on a crazy setting. Should we do a question and answer?
Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah? Q&A?
Yeah.
Do we have to make anything?
No.
I don't like making things.
Oh my god.
Should I start massaging? Okay, so
It's
first...
so small.
Oh my god. I thought it was gonna be big.
It's so small. You thought we got the biggest one?
I thought we did.
Oh,
so we
small.
have never done this, by the way. We are very Mexican. So we don't do these kind of things. So first question, Sissy.
How?
Do you miss me now that I'm in Washington?
Yeah. During our Thanksgiving, I cried because of you.
I heard.
That's so embarrassing.
Okay, so let's make this saucy because like I don't think people care about it.
Saucy.
So first step is squeeze this. I already did.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna do all the decorating and I'm just gonna watch. You
That's
like
okay.
decorating?
That's okay.
Really want to do this.
Although we might not use it. Oh.
Yeah.
We're gonna
I look
eat
at her
it.
like the fluffies.
Then why did we buy it?
Exactly. I was like, girl, why'd you make me buy this for you? You're crazy, Kai. Sorry, we have our baby nephew here. He's wild. No, I did all the work. I will only help at the end.
The eating part.
The eating part. All right, Sissy, get to this decorating because I'm...
Okay, the questions. You're not asking
Okay, next question. How is virtual high school?
Oh, I don't like it. Am I doing this right? I don't think so. So I don't like it because I don't get to be social. Oh my god.
Oh,
Is
my
it supposed
goat.
to stick together? Or what?
There you go. Okay.
I teeth. If you break it.
Oh, dude, I'm hungry now. I just taste the icy and
The
I'm
icing isn't good.
I don't care though. It's hungry.
Question.
Okay.
How does it feel to be married? Technically.
So I am not married.
Almost
though-
technically.
Well, yeah. So
You technically. It's just so funny how someone can be together for such a long time
not get married.
and not be called like, oh, this is my wife, just because of a ring. Like, what if you don't want to get married with the ring?
That's
Like, you don't want to get married with the ring. You want to with the necklace, something like that.
Oh yeah, I don't really care.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you see.
Well, actually, I was thinking like if I were to get married, it'd be a thinner, like simple ring.
I want one that's my
Your sign.
my July. Mine's ruby. I want one like.
Mine's a diamond.
What about you? Decorate one side of the house, and I decorate the other.
Anyways, have you played Among Us?
Me? Yeah.
Can you play with me and Darian?
I hate it.
Me too.
I really hate it.
I don't think it's that fun.
It was fun at a point, but then it got boring.
Because there's nothing else to do.
Yeah.
Do you want to play with me? Have you had a sex education talk at school?
Of course. Even
How
at
did that
home. Huh?
How did that go?
This was back in elementary.
Oh, so you've never been talked about it again?
We would talk about it all the time.
Well, yeah, but I mean, like with school.
I mean, it wasn't really awkward. It talked more about
Chop chop, girl. Yeah, we have work to do.
hygiene.
Okay, like be,
And, like,
don't
when
be
you-
a nasty hoe.
When you no, that looks so ugly.
Chef, bruh. Right. This is how you get jumped done.
Yeah, you. Oh my god, it's so ugly.
That's one thing.
And it's ugly. You want to pet these?
Dude, I look, you want to eat this already. I'm hungry, aren't you?
Sissy, we only have leche.
No, you.
I don't trust myself with this.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Do it now. She starts sweating.
I can't do it.
Oh shoot, no! Hey, bro, you messed my freaking.
I
roof up, bro.
told you I can't. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Why
we
are
have to put some
you
food.
dollies? I was like,
Not only that, but yours is a little on my side. What were you talking about? Oh, the sex education thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know about my protection. I get my period. It's normal, right? I think. I mean, it's normal. God dang! We still have to decorate the house.
We have so much.
No,
Calm
I
down,
hate that.
bro. You don't even like it.
I hate it.
Oh my god, you did it on the wrong side. Or maybe I did it on the wrong
Yeah,
side.
yeah, ves?
I did.
As you can tell by my graph, this side is longer. This one is shorter.
Why do you not put it up? You're so freaking cheap.
you talking to one who comes at Target with all these credit cards and coupon checkout with her phones.
That is so ugly. I need to show the pants. What the fluffies? You would not make it to Gordon Ramsay's.
Oh yes, I would. Nope, you wouldn't.
It's just beautiful. Wow.
What about that?
She deemed herself. She's a freaking boss, bro. Let me show you guys.
That's because you have.
Damn, she's a boss.
Oh my god.
Ew. And we ate boiling crab and that just. Ew.
Ew, your breath really stunk like boy.
Alright guys, so the video cut off, but Destiny claims to have better drip than me. Hold on. Oh shit.
Okay, I don't know.
Oh shoot, it's actually cute. It actually looks kind of natural now.
See?
Wait, you forgot to make that my long one here.
Oh, sorry. I just want to make sure people knew what side was whose.
I'm dead.
I
Freaking chef, bro.
That's not
Let
a
me zoom in.
chef. That's a pastry person.
That's a chef. Pastry chef dummy. Why are you so dumb, bro? All this virtual schooling that's affecting your life.
It is. It's making me sad. Abril! That's not.
Ew, with her freaking nails.
Look at her side. Okay, I give you that, but my drip is definitely better.
Her drip's on the right. Mine's on the left.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna tell no one. Just shat my freaking side. Look. Oh my god. I want to finish this up. I'm over this. Let's go.
Oh, how does it feel to have a PS5?
Right when you said that, I messed it all up. I actually cannot really tell the biggest difference. Darian said that it's only because I don't play it enough. Oh guys, I forgot to say, take your time to smash the like button. It really helps out for my self-esteem. It makes me feel nice and grateful and purposeful, so that's nice.
Look, this is my plant skate.
Dude, this is annoying.
My plant skate.
I'm over this to see.
Look at my plant skate. Look at my plant skate.
Oh,
No! You really just ruined everything.
no, look, I didn't.
This is some pictures I took in San Francisco. So, this is the bridge to get to San Francisco. It's pretty cool. I took.
I'm over this.
This is me skating. That's a picture of me skating. I look really funny.
I'm over this.
What'd you eat? What did you eat? Okay, let me just finish my set and we can just smash it.
No. Smash it?
See, I can think of good ideas. What'd you eat?
Mm-hmm.
Another one, and I thought you didn't like it.
Ooh.
Yo, my window is sexy.
Ooh.
Shut up! You want to compare drips?
This drip is beautiful. What do you mean?
Bro, let's not talk about circles because if you want to say, check out my circle.
I want to see your circle.
Okay,
Well,
check-
this is my circle. Flip it. Oh wow. This is her
That's
circle.
right. That's right.
Okay, mind you guys, like that drip. That's me, and that's her.
That's my drip. That's hers. My door didn't come out.
I like it. That's wow. That's beautiful, actually. Wow. Why are you rude? I'm not married.
Oh, technically you
I'm
are.
single.
Why doesn't it
I'm
count
ready to
being married?
mingle. Oh? Should I put the Megan Stallion thing? Why do I feel like throwing up right now? Like this is... I think I'm hungry again. I'm tired.
Okay.
Oh. Wait, can you make an entrance for me, please? With a gummy entrance. Turn it over, thanks. Now I want you to push it back. Thanks. And I want an entrance, and I want to eat this.
Oh! I want to try it now. Does it taste good with frosting?
Mm-mm.
April.
Okay, make a entrance. I want a swervy one like us. Like, swerving! Thank you. Wow. And then I wanted to finish. Thanks. Why are you so focused? The fluffies is that? I don't know about that.
Can we eat it
She
now?
belongs to the street.
Can we eat it now?
Yeah, I'm ready. Alright guys, so we are obviously really over this freaking gingerbread life. It was not as fun as set out to be, but it also wasn't the worst thing ever. Like, it's better than just sitting down.
It was therapeutic.
Yeah, it was definitely worth the $9.
Yeah. Ew, this gum is ugly.
Oh wait, forget the window. Don't look at it.
Don't look at it.
Just don't look at it. Don't look at it. Oh. What? It's strong. Bite it. Wait. I don't know why it doesn't look good.
You do what other thumbnailers do.
Oh.
Ew, you eat so ugly.
Oh,
I like it. It's just really sweet for me.
okay, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my sister, Destiny. We are twins, by the way, if you didn't know.
No, we're not.
That was a joke. Anyways, I'll see you guys on next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and go have fun with your family. Take care of yourself and enjoy the moment now and forever. Be present. Bye guys. Nobody's gonna be eating this, so that's why we licked it all. Because it's disgusting. Nobody in our family will like this.
Nobody.
Ever. I don't even think people like the gummies. The gummies were weird tasting. All right, bye. Oh, but it was... Okay, but it was worth the experience because it was fun overall.
Yeah, because we Hispanic, we don't do that.
Yeah, we don't do these things. So
Yeah,
this
we
is
really
new.
don't. So
Okay, bye. Bye, guys.
have a have a nice day.
Oh, bye.
Peace out.
Peace out. Is this love you?
Guys, till I tripping.
Is this I love you? Bye.
Love you.